officer returned to breaking the glass with the help of a bystander before a second officer arrived to the scene to help.
I just used it. Here, keep hitting it. Yep. All right, back up, back up, back up. Yeah, no. I'll just use one. Watch out.
Breaking the glass took about 4 minutes due to the tint and thickness of the glass, but eventually a hole was created in the glass large enough for the first officer to reach his hand through and unlock the door.
I got my golf on. Come on, dude, open up the door! Open up the door! Your car's on fire! Open up the door! Got it. Pull him out! Pull him out! Pull him out! Come on! Here, pick up the car. Move. Let's go. Pull him. Is there anybody else in the car? Is there anyone in the car? Just you?
Once the door was open,
here, sir, back
both
up, back
officers were able to drag the driver, who was the only occupant, from the vehicle to safety.
In this case, at 3.
Moments later, the Virginia Beach Fire Department arrived to put out the flames and provided immediate